macOS has a built-in feature called Invert Colors that literally flips every color on your screen. While it's not something most people use daily, it's a game changer if you have specific vision needs or if you're a designer needing a fresh perspective on a project. Here's how to set it up. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. From there, head over to Accessibility and select Display on the right-hand side. Right at the top, you'll see the Invert Colors toggle. Go ahead and turn that on. You'll notice the entire screen shifts immediately. Once enabled, you'll see a setting called Invert Color Mode with two distinct options. If you choose Smart, macOS inverts the UI but keeps your media looking natural, so videos in Safari will still show their original colors. However, if you switch to Classic, everything, including your videos, will be completely inverted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.